Help us save the Galvan birds. CALA BOCA Galvao is a campaign on Twitter which focuses on spreading the word about Galvan, a very rare kind of bird native to Brazil. Every year, more than 300,000 Galvan birds are killed during carnival parades. Their colourful feathers are sold on black markets. And if this slaughter doesn't stop, they will become extinct much sooner than you can imagine. The last couple of Galvan birds, known as Silentium galvanus, are living in the Amazon rainforest, but they are dying because of climate changes. Now the Brazilian scientist Frei Galvao is working on a capsule to protect the birds from these effects, so we need your tweet donation. Every tweet with CALA BOCA Galvao generates a donation of 10 cents to the Galvan Birds Foundation.
E a gente precisa divulgar isso. Eu me sinto profundamente abençoado por poder servir para transmitir essa ideia.
1 second to tweet, 1 second to save a life. Help Brazil, help our rarest birds. Galvao Institute for a better world.